Good morning, students. Today is third lecture. Software operation system. Plan. Software, types of the software, purpose, and characteristic basic concepts of operation system. 2. Evaluation of operation systems, classification of operating systems, including for mobile devices, classification of desktop applications. Computer software. What we'll cover for this lecture topic. Software categories, application software, system software. What is an operation system? What does it do for me? What does it for application programs? What is a translator? Application software. It is the reason that one wants to buy a computer. Printed out PICs, combat, keep track of a stamp collection, generator, a funky newsletter, keep a budget, browse the web, play Mortal. Do you tax? Quit robots, draw a flow chart, design a car. System software helps computer carry out its basic tasks, includes operation systems, master control programs, views, basic input output system. See handout. Some intelligence are built into operation system. Translators, program language translators, compilers. Applications software includes many executable fields and data fields. Installer programs, installer programs, main accessible field support modules called by the program, not by the use.modules dictionary. Installing has gotten easy, most use wizards. Excellent coverage in the textbooks, chapter 3 sections, and an interactive lab you can try. System software. The operation systems, a type of system software that underlies all or other software. It manages all software and hardware tasks. It provides a common set of computer functions such as input from a keyboard and output to a monitor. It provides a user interface that is, how can something as simple minded as a processor and memory presents you with something as rich as the Mac or Windows? What does an operation systems for me? Lots in general terms. Provides user interface as we saw, allow applications to run. What are some tasks you need done even when no apps are running? Doesn't nearly half of what we ask an application program to do. Common task useful to all programs, but those in the operation systems, the most basic are paired in BIOS. So each app doesn't have to handle those tasks. So what are some of these tasks? System calls. You ask Microsoft to open a document file menu open. What will you see? What really just happened in the books? Work. Call it of operation systems to present you with a full list. Operation system must look at disk directory list of file names, file elections table, list of file locations starting cluster number on the disk, allow consistency from app to app. Operation systems identify selected objects on the desktop. You select an icon. What do you expect to see? What that involves? First, you move the cursors to point to icon draws moving cursors. Operation systems keeps table of icon placements. Look at the current cursors placements and compress it to the table. Next, use single-click mouse button to select it. What do you expect to see? Operation systems does all this. Manage Windows. What do you do with Windows? What does that involve? Manage files and folders. What do you do with files and folders? You create a new file or folder. You move files on folder, you nest folders. You open documents file. Let's see. Operation systems looks at file extension. Operation systems checks is NOS free memory space. Operation systems finds and alerts the if not loaded. Operation systems finds and alerts the document. Operation systems keeps track of what data goes with what program, all sharing some RAM. Operation systems has control over the MISC service and utilities. Operation systems does system control options from start button, shut down, restart. Operation systems does universal from the edit menu, cap, copy, paste, clear, select all. Clipboard also between different apps. Operation system does universal ops from the view menu. Show, hide toolbars, status bar, large icons, small icons, list details, errand icons. Operation systems also has many built-in utilities goodies that are universally provided differs from operation system to operation systems and version to version. Taskbar and start button unique to win operation system control panel field help format or earth disk preparation. Right click menus. Properties rename shortcuts under more and lots more depending on operation systems you say and the version you have. Lots of third-party utilities as well. Read about these utilities in the reading handout, data recovery, compression note, textbook page. Just know the general gist of how it works, not all the special antivirus projects included with Windows XP, firewalls included with Windows XP, diagnostic uninstall programs, screen servers, file deformation, and more. Manager elects time, memory, speed, program, or person can share computer's resources idle of time waiting for user part multi-program or two or more programs concurrently, 8 calculator parallel and acts payable and web and multi-user operation systems. Statistical analysis acts payable payroll. Provides devices drivers, small programs that control peripheral devices, printer, heads, disk, type, drive, modem. Allow operation systems application to activity drive the hardware device. The drivers access commands from the operation systems and converts them into form that a particular device can understand. Newer operation systems provides most device triggers. Also, FIN and Download device drive program from manufacturer's website. Systems software count, translate, revise it. How do you people write programs? Only language a computer understands. A translate or compiler. Programs that converts high-level source code into low-level machine language object code can then be processed directly by the computer binary circuits. Running a search program is a two-step process. Exercise the translate programs first. Concerts ask search into excitable machine language. Creates a new file containing the object code. Excite that new object's code file. Operation systems. What is an operation system? A modern computer consists of one or more processor, main memory, disk, printer, various input, output devices. Managing all these varied components requires a lot of software, the operation systems. Control questions. What is software? Different system software and application software. What are the responsibilities of operation systems? Define the following with suitable example. Single-use operation systems, multi-use operation systems. What are utility programs? Define some task performed by them. What is meant by library programs? What are program language? Translates briefly. Describes three translating approaches. State the advantage and disadvantages of bespoke application software. Goodbye, my students.